Hi, this is a video for Landrover Technical Services to try and illustrate the climate control problem that I and many others are having with their model year 66 Landrover Discovery 4s. My car's just come back from 4 days with the dealership and technical help from Landrover at the factory, which basically says, in a nutshell, I don't know how to operate climate control. So here I am now trying to illustrate the problem that for some reason is so difficult for people to understand. I'm sat on the drive now. You can see the outside temperature is 11 degrees. I have the climate control set at 22 degrees on both sides of the vehicle, and I've taken it to full blower and directed the air to the windscreen and to the footwell. And the temperature difference of the air coming from the windscreen vent and the footwell vent is the problem, which happens in fully automatic mode after around about 20 to 30 minutes of driving. So you can see temperature at 22 degrees, external temperature 11 degrees. I would expect warm air coming from both vents to keep the temperature around about 22 degrees. I have a thermometer which is measuring the temperature of the air coming from the windscreen vent, and we'll look at that now. So you can see from the windscreen vent we have air coming through there around about 14 degrees C. Okay, so let me remind you, 22 degrees we're set at, and we're seeing temperature at 14 degrees C. It's now rising because I've removed it from there. I'm going to put it in the footwell now to see what temperature we get in the footwell. And it is hot in the footwell because my feet are burning, and this is a phenomenon that happens all the time in automatic. Hot air from the footwell, cold air when you're driving from the face vents and from the windscreen vents. So we'll just bear with that a moment or two, and then we'll have a look at the temperature coming from the footwell. So reminder, 22 degrees, 11 degrees external. We get air 14 degrees from the windscreen, and let's have a look, see if it's had time to adjust in the footwell. And temperature in the footwell around about 26 degrees after a minute or so. So Land Rover, that's the problem. Temperature 26 degrees in the footwell and temperature of 14 degrees coming from the windscreen vents, and we're supposed to feel comfortable. What happens then, of course, is you turn the temperature up on the screen because your face, your head is cold, and you get the same phenomenon. You get hotter air coming from the floor and the same cool air coming from the top. So your feet are on fire and you're even colder. Thank you. I hope this illustrates the point.